Nespresso burst that shows how to make Ramadan coffee with a twist.
The drink I'm going to show you is a very simple drink to make at home. You can make it yourself. All the ingredients are very easy to get at home as well. As you need a whipped cream, canister of whipped cream for your home. You just need a normal date sauce, which you can buy in any supermarket, as well as you need, of course, an espresso cup. And the coffee I'm going to use, I'll be using for this one is basically a ristretto, very intense profile of coffee as well for breaking your fast. Again, simple. What you do is you add your cream to the top of the drink, adds a nice swirl for presentation as well. And then you add your date sauce to the top of it, and you add your swirl. And that's done. Espresso con panna.
Vithika, 7 Days, UAE.